Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you a large haul. I have so much stuff. I have stuff from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, Ulta, Ross, TJMAXX, Cabela's, did I mention Kohl's? Just like so much stuff, but I will try to go through it as fast as I can. But I really want to share them with you because I found some really good stuff that I'm really excited about, and I'm not going to be hauling hopefully for a while because I really don't need anything at this point. I pretty much have filled my wardrobe with everything that I love, and I mean, I have some like holes here and there that of things that I want to get, so just want to hold out for that and definitely get some like fall pieces when fall clothing starts coming out. And I'm so excited for fall. I love fall fashion and I am just really excited for it. So let's get started. The first thing I want to mention and share with you that I got, remember when I said in my last haul that I wanted the Levi's corduroy with the fur jacket in black? I found it. I'm so excited. I got it in a medium and this retails for $128. I found this on Rue La La, and you have to like sign up and everything. And honestly, I kind of thought that this was like too good to be true, but it so wasn't. And I got this, I think, for $60 with $10 shipping. So it was super cheap. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to pay the $10 in shipping. I kind of really didn't want to, but I was like, you know what? It's so inexpensive. I'm getting it for way less than half the price. So it was just crazy. I might have even gotten it for $50 and change. I can't remember. It was definitely 60 or and under. But so worth it. Has the faux fur. It is so incredibly comfortable. I will definitely be rocking this a ton this fall and winter. It is so comfortable. The fur does go down, but then it stops around the elbows and then it picks up again. So just know that. But it is so incredibly comfortable. If you plan on wearing like bulkier things underneath, whether that's even scarves or sweaters, and maybe size up, and it's not very long, it kind of basically just stops like right at your hips, really. So, and it does button, and I'm just so excited that I found this. It just looks so cute. It's so cute. So I am so excited for this. Oh my god, I want it like in every color. So really happy that I not only found it but got such a great deal on it. All right, I went to Kohl's because I wanted some t-shirts, and they had some really cute t-shirts, and they were on sale, and I had coupons and whatever. Basically got them really cheap because when it comes to clothes, I honestly don't like to spend a lot. I feel like, especially when you wash it after a few times, your clothes just look dingy. You know what I mean? So even if I don't put the stuff in the dryer, it's like after a while, it is what it is. So anyway, I got this NASA t-shirt, just plain, nothing on the back or anything. And I really just wanted some like easy peasy t-shirts to wear, whether by themselves with jeans or even with leggings, or pair it with like a jean jacket come fall, or even like a turtleneck come fall and winter. And then also I got this, and I've been wanting this t-shirt for so long. Pizza Planet. I am a huge Toy Story fan. I just should do like Toy Story trivia. Like I'm so excited. I'm a kid at heart, and I do not care. I don't care. I will probably cry when I go to Disney and go into the Toy Story section. I will probably cry my eyes out because that's how much I love Toy Story. So anyway, I got this shirt as well. I probably would wear this shirt when I go to Disney. So yeah, I'm really excited. These were all in the men's section, and I got them all in a size medium. Went to TJMAXX and found this Hello Kitty sweatshirt. I didn't even know this existed. It's not the best quality sweatshirt, but hey, I don't care. And it was $19.99. It's pretty lightweight, which I like. I don't really like a lot of like bulky, super heavy things. And the sleeves are just so cute. So found that. And then I found this wifey t-shirt. I didn't know Rae Dunn has clothes. So anyway, it says wifey. It's so cute, and it was on clearance for $8. So I had to get it. Super cute. Got that in a size medium. And then at TJ Maxx, I got these bike shorts, but I also got them in the long version as well, but I've been wearing them for working out. I haven't worn these yet for working out. They were $14.99, normally $28. I just don't feel comfortable wearing these out yet in public. I don't know why, but they're just like, they're super cute. They're so comfortable. Highly recommend these. Yeah, I don't know. The long version of them are great. I got them both in a size large, but yeah, I don't know why I haven't worn these yet. I'll probably wear them like for home, but like for my home workouts, but I don't know, going out running, kind of like wearing the long active leggings because I don't have to worry about anything riding up, because that is the worst, having to like pull things down while you're working out and running. It kind of like zones me out of what I'm focusing on. Then I wanted to get a couple workout leggings with pockets, because a lot of my Gymshark activewear bottoms don't have pockets, and I really need pockets for when I run outside because I want my phone and have other things in my pocket. So I got two leggings, the exact same thing, and these are capri length, and they were $11.99. Never heard of this brand. It's RAG, and I thought that they were really, really great. So I went ahead and got two, because now I should have a total of 5 bottoms with pockets, which is basically 5 days a week that I work out. And so then I'm kind of all set, and I got them in black. I just like love black leggings. I feel like then I don't have to worry about like my underwear showing or anything like that, and it's just like really simple. I'm gonna go with any color top, and so that way I don't have to like do my laundry if I haven't done it yet, and I can just wear whatever active top I have left. You know what I mean. Okay. Then I found this at Ross for $16.99, size medium, normally $88 from Michael Kors. And of course, it is a puff sleeve. I can't help it. Everything I have is puff sleeve. But it's like this nice, like, light sweatshirt, like, material. And it's just such a pretty color. It's almost, I would say, like a coral pink. It's so pretty. So I thought I got a really great deal. I mean, $88. You can really find some great deals on Michael Kors at TJMAXX, Marshalls, and Ross. So definitely check out your clearance sections, because I'm telling you, you can find some really great things. And I like that shirt even before I saw that it was Michael Kors, and I was like, what? So you at least know it's good quality. I also picked these scrunchies up at TJMAXX, $4.99 for 5 of them, so basically $1 a piece. And I just feel like my hair ties have been really like, I don't know, rough on my hair, and I feel like scrunchies are in, and I thought that these were so cute, so I had to get them. They're like kind of sparkly. So yeah, I mean, $4.99, can't beat it. I have an obsession with socks. I honestly have more, but I won't share them with you because it would be kind of redundant. But I actually ended up with basically the same like Puma socks without even remembering that I got them from another store. They were both purchased at Ross though, but 2 different Rosses. $7.99 for 6 pairs. They're 2 different styles. One's like a crew style and one is like a low cut. I really like these low cuts because they're higher in the back, even though these aren't going to fall down either. But if you are going to get a lower cut active sock, get where it's higher up in the back, so that way you don't have to worry about when you're walking or running or working out that your socks are sliding down. But these Pumas feel really high quality. I've had Puma socks before and they've lasted so long, so I'm kind of replacing those because they just got so dingy, and I was really embarrassed to be wearing some of my socks and if people saw them. They had no holes in them. They were still in perfect like condition, but the look of them was not pretty. So we're basically replacing my sock wardrobe. And then I got these Sketcher ones, 10 pairs for $6.99, which is insane. Basically same type of like crew style like the Pumas. And yeah, not as like, I would say the texture of these don't feel as high quality as the Pumas, but they're still really, really good. And yeah, I kind of tend to go with black because they just last longer and I don't have to worry about kind of sorting it in my laundry, and I just throw all the black stuff into one load because I just own a lot of dark colors, so it's just easier for me. I got these Adidas socks, and I actually have another pack of these in my other room, but these have all different like black, white, and gray, so I at least have some white socks if I need them. And these are lower cut, so if I'm wearing, you know, certain shoes or pants or whatever where I don't want my socks to really show, I at least have these. And these were at Ross for $8.99 and 6 pairs, so you do pay a little bit more obviously for Adidas. And then they had these Kate Spade socks, and there is a story behind these because my friend a couple years ago for Christmas actually got me a 3-pack, and I think she got them at TJMAXX. And so $7.99 for 3 packs, but these are like high, they go up high on your leg. They are so comfortable. I actually love wearing these for sleeping, or when I was working, I would wear them. And I love them. The pack that she got me, they were mainly, it was like all black or like stripes, and I loved them. And since that they were black, I could wear them for work because you couldn't really see them anyway, but it kind of like blended in with my shoes. But yeah, just, oh my gosh. So I was so happy to see them. If they had other prints, I probably would have gotten more, but they had a ton. It looked like they just stocked the shelf. So run and get yourself some. Best socks you will ever get. Like, amazing. All right, went to Cabela's and I got a couple things. and I'm really excited. So if you didn't see, I purchased a Rebecca Minkoff fanny pack and love it. I wear it all the time. It is my go-to handbag for the last few months. I have definitely got my money's worth even the short amount of time that I've had it, and it is awesome. But sometimes it does feel a little bit small, and also I just feel like I needed just something, I don't know, something maybe a little bit where I could just fit a little bit more, where I could fit like 2 water bottles comfortably. And yeah, so this is where this came in. This was $50. It wasn't on sale at Cabela's. And the funny thing is I went to Hershey Park and I saw 2 different people, different pattern though, but same bag. And I thought, okay, how funny. I've never seen this bag in my life, and now 2 people have it after I purchased it. So it's in this beautiful neon color pink, which I love, with like neon orange detail. And it like zippers down here, and it also has an inside zipper, so really great if you're traveling. You put your passport in here, or extra money, things you want to keep safe, or like maybe little things you don't want rolling around. But I feel like this can fit a lot more in here for like hikes and that sort of thing. I just feel like the fanny pack isn't going to be that great for outdoors, so I thought that's why I got this. And then it has like a Velcro pouch here. You're definitely not gonna be able to fit your phone in there unless you have a teeny weeny phone. And then it also has like a zipper pack here. So anyway, I am just like so excited, and I just feel like the quality is really great. So definitely worth, I think, the $50. Obviously Cabela's has really good outdoor items, so I don't think this is going to disappoint. And I love like this like rope detailing. It is just so cute. It also has a clasp here as well, so I just feel like you can adjust it. You can put it in the front here, put it in the back, use it as a backpack, and yeah, I will probably even use this as like a regular purse even if I just need a bigger one than my Rebecca Minkoff for that day. So this is so good. I am so excited. Then I also got a pair of shoes, and these are like these wedges, and it's from Natural Reflections, and they were only $14.77. They were on clearance, so definitely check the clearance section out. And just so cute, just so incredibly cute and so comfortable. Cannot beat it. And I don't have anything like this, so I thought, you know what, for that inexpensive, I'm going to add that to my fall winter wardrobe. Then for the Nordstrom anniversary sale, I ordered 2 pairs of their Spanx leggings. I ordered them in a medium and a large. I actually still have to try them on to figure out what size. I probably will end up going with the large. These are the larges here. So I'll probably end up going with the large, honestly, just by looking at it. But I've been wanting these for years and years and years. Every fall season when the Nordstrom anniversary sale would come around and everyone would talk about these, and I'm like, you know what, when I lose weight, and I lost weight, so I deserve it. So it's kind of like the faux leather leggings. I really want to get a pair of their regular leggings, and they also have like a jegging, like a jean legging, and I really want them as well. They are pricey, so I kind of want to wait till they go on sale. Hopefully maybe Macy's carries these as well, so hopefully they'll go on sale. But these are normally $98, and I think they were like 60 something. So I thought it was a pretty good deal. The only thing is with Nordstrom anniversary is that some stuff is made for the anniversary, so it's kind of like made cheaper in a way, at least I think. So just need to figure out what size and return the other one. And then I got some Steve Madden Wedge sneakers during the anniversary sale. And I was actually going to wait until Macy's carried these, because Macy's will always have their like super shoe sale. And depending on how much you buy, you either get 30% off, and the more shoes you buy, you'll get 40% off of each one. So I did the math, and if I waited for these at Macy's, I would only save like additional $5. So I thought, you know what, I'd rather have them now and have them before the season, so then I have it when the season starts, versus, you know, getting them like a month after fall and not really getting that much use out of them. But these are just so cute. I got these in a size 10, and both sides of the zippers go down, and so you just slip your foot right in there, so you don't have to like do laces or do anything crazy. And I like that, because then you could even like leave them like kind of undone, or like, you know, kind of like have like a style, I guess. I mean, I honestly probably won't, but also if you wear like thicker socks and that sort of thing, I feel like the zippers will definitely help. And again, you can always tighten it with the laces as well. So I think that's really great for the winter time, because I usually wear thicker socks in the winter. But yeah, I've been wanting a wedge sneaker for years and years and years, and I thought that these would be great with leggings, great with like skinny jeans, and I'm just super excited for these. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to style these and wear them and love them. Really good purchase there. All right, and then I went I didn't go to Ulta. I made an order on Ulta.com. These were on the set was on sale. It's the same exact set, and it's a 10 blow dry miracle glossing shampoo, conditioner, and their leave-in. I love It's a 10 leave-in. I've been using it, oh my gosh, at least 10 years, if not a little bit more. So each set comes with shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in. These are all full-size products, and I got both of these sets for $55. I had a 10 off of 40, and they were on a major sale. And with both sets, it's basically $175 worth of product, and I got it for $55. And honestly, I'm kind of running out of shampoo, so I thought, you know what, perfect time. I've never tried their blow dry line, so I thought best time to do so. So 55 bucks all together. So crazy. And then I also got I got NARS blush, a NARS bronzer, all minis, and then a NARS mascara. It was a gift with purchase when you spent $50. So it was like perfect. I got free shipping, got some good products to try out, and I love the Laguna bronzer. So I'm super happy with that. And then last but not least, I ordered some stuff from Shein from their Hello Kitty collection. And I'm sorry, but like, it's so inexpensive. I wanted to get a lot more things, but I just felt like a lot of it I probably wasn't going to wear. And obviously the price, you're kind of basically get what you pay for. So I didn't really need a bunch of like just random things. So these bows were only $2, and I was like, you know what, even if I just wear them like for Halloween or something, I at least have them. Really cute. I got red, black, and pink, and they each have like her face on it, and then it says Hello Kitty with her face. So I don't know, $2, can't really beat that. Also got a Hello Kitty hat. It is kind of cheap, not gonna lie, but it is embroidered with her face, and that makes it look at least a little not as cheap. I think this was like $7. I don't really remember, but I think they had this in red, white, and pink maybe. But yeah, just really cute, and I just thought kind of like a throw around hat that I don't have to worry too much about, but I at least love and definitely gonna enjoy. And then last, I got some socks. I believe this was a 2-pack. So the only difference is like this one has like apples on it, and they're higher up. And again, I'm replacing all my socks, so I really wanted some cute ones as well. And then this was a 3-pack, and again, just so inexpensive. Just so inexpensive. I kind of wish I would have gotten doubled up on the socks, because just really cute. And again, they're embroidered, and I love that the back is higher up, so you're gonna be able to see the character. So cute. So I believe that is everything, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just trying to get through this as quickly as possible. But yeah, let me know where you guys have been shopping at. Have you guys been finding really good deals at your Marshalls, TJMAXX, and Ross? Because I'm just obsessed with like going and seeing the finds. Like I feel like it's like an adrenaline rush too, to like see what you can find and what's good and what's in the clearance section. Definitely check out the clearance. I mean, it's just crazy. Just the good, especially Michael Kors, like Michael Kors clothes, like they're so expensive if you bought them full price. So definitely check your clearance out for that. And honestly, I went through the clearance at Ross the other day, just recently, and the tops, I just go through every size, because sometimes there might be something in there that should be in the other size, you know, like there could be a large in the smalls or whatever, so I just like go through everything anyway. And I was just finding such good things that were like $4.99, $5.99, just so inexpensive. So definitely check out your stores. So I will see you guys all in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bye guys.